Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Vanessa Karin and this time we will talk about a popular anime this year. So what kind of anime is that? We will find out about them with our friend here.
Hello everyone, happy to see you. My name is Maulana Rahman. You can also call me Adel.
Okay. So Fadil, what the title of the anime that we will talk about today?
Okay, I'm kind of interesting about this anime because I think it's my favorite anime this
This
year.
year.
Yeah. So this anime as title is Sousou no Frieren,
Okay.
or also you can known as Frieren Beyond the Journey.
Okay, so that's the title of the animation that we will talk about this time. So, Fadel, what's your first impression about this anime when it first come out or when the trailer come out?
Okay. First, when I see the visual cover, like the teaser or the trailer, I'm kind of like hoping or maybe expect that this anime will be good. When I saw the trailer first, it gave me the impression like wow, because like the fight scene or this character, it's like
Okay, that's your first impression.
yes.
What about your impression after you watch the entire anime?
So when I watched the entire anime, uh, it give me feel like I'm very satisfied.
Okay.
Like the trailer is not lying anymore.
Not
Like
right.
hell, not like another anime who has a good trailer, good teaser, maybe like the, like making good impression. But actual anime when
It's
it's come on air, it's not
not
what I
that
expected.
good,
The other day good because
That's okay. That's make your equation
yeah,
account. But this
but
anime
this anime,
is not
I'll
lying.
tell you,
It's honestly.
I can tell you that it's beyond my expectation. Of course.
Okay. Your expectation is high. Let's talk about the reason why your expectation is so good about this anime. The first one, what about the quality of the animation? Did the graphic meet your expectation?
Okay, if you talk about the animation, like graphic or kind of stuff,
Mhm.
um, uh, I would say that this anime has pretty well animation. Like the detail is very good. If you watch the anime, like when the character star, with red hair,
The red hair
yeah,
boy.
when he wearing his coat, his
Yeah,
jacket,
it's jacket.
yes, it's very detailed. I like it.
That small scene
That
have
small scene have that kind
detail.
of detail. I think
So
it's pretty good.
Okay.
And then like the fight scene is also good. Not like other anime where scene like like just one frame just you scaling your character just
Right.
kind of or maybe we call that wayang.
Yeah.
Then
It's rigid or stiff or awkward,
yes,
right? Okay.
it's very annoying. But this time I will tell you that it's really good anime. It has
Okay,
very
so
good animation.
so the detail, the flexible movement is what makes this anime different from other
Yes,
anime.
absolutely.
Okay, so what the name of the studio that create this animation?
It's called Madhouse,
Okay.
Yeah.
What other animation that Madhouse has made? Is the
Um,
graphic the same as Freerun or not?
uh, maybe did you know anime called Overlord?
Yeah. the skeleton king.
Yeah, like her skeleton, his servant, and One Punch Man, One Punch Man,
Yeah, the
OPM,
plot.
yeah, the super overpowered
Yeah.
heroes, and Hunter x Hunter.
Oh, that's Legend
Yeah.
animation, right?
Yeah, I think it's the Mad Host is pretty good. They have like amazing animation.
So they have specialty and experience in action, like
Action,
action
anime, yeah,
animation.
yeah.
Okay. We have talked about the graphic. Let's move on the storyline. What do you think about the storyline? What makes this anime different from other anime?
Okay, if we talk about the storyline, uh, I can say that this storyline is pretty fast. The plot is fast, not like other anime that have particular like the same plot twist, or maybe the same plot that sounds like cliche for me. Like just it's pretty fresh to watch. A If you say that another anime has like the plot where start or begin with the journey to defeat the demon lord, but Frieren has plot after they defeat the demon lord. So it's like what they do after they kill the demon lord. So it's pretty refreshing to watch.
Oh, that's actually what I was wondering when I was fantasy.
Yeah,
And then like,
so
what after?
what will happen
What will happen
after you defeat the demon lord?
Okay, well,
And-
it's fresh, right?
Yeah, and not only that, the storyline also have like a lot of moral value, I guess.
Oh, moral value. Can you mention one of them?
Maybe like this anime can tell you that you cannot give up easily and just keep forward for your like ambition, like
That we have to do our best to achieve our dreams. Okay, that's actually the moral value is actually pretty general, but it's come out in different plots, so it's getting
it's
interesting.
getting interesting, and it's make it more impactful
Oh,
for
impactful.
the audience.
Okay, it's so impact to you too.
Yes,
Yes.
I think it's that.
Have you applied those moral value in your life? Don't give up to your best.
Maybe a little. Okay, let's start the next question.
Okay, next question. You touch the question. Okay, next question. We have talked about the storyline. What's your favorite scene? Maybe the scene that the animation.
Like, I like the most.
The
I like the most on overall scene.
Okay.
Maybe I pick that when the Frieren enter the dungeon,
Okay.
when she's fighting his clone, his idol,
Right.
in the deepest dungeon to take the treasure.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. The detail, the background music is to fit with the scene, and then the effect is pretty good.
That's also the climax of the animation of the series, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay. So they give their best in the climax, right? The animation.
no, it's not. They give the climax. Also, they give it like the whole anime is pretty good. So
The studio has already worked
Yeah.
hard for this anime. So every scene is actually good, but
Yeah.
you pick the most favorite is
Yes.
when
Frieren
Frieren
fight
defeats
this
his clone, her clone. Okay. Okay. What about your in this anime, they have many amazing characters, right?
Oh yeah.
But if you have to pick one, who will you pick?
Uh, if I had to pick one, maybe I'll go with Star.
Star. Oh,
Yeah.
the red
Yes.
hair.
The warrior, the red hair one.
Why?
Because he has kind of funny personality. When he's come along with a friend,
Okay.
it's very funny to watch.
Yeah, they.
They act like just a kid.
Yeah, right. They're bickering a lot.
Yes, and then when he uh, when he facing his weakness, actually when like he also he make like he has a weak personality, but when he facing that weakness, it's like he's pretty cool for me.
Right.
Because when he fighting the dragon
Oh yeah.
and in the nest near the village,
Okay.
before he fighting his hand shaking a
Tremble a
lot,
lot.
yeah, tremble a lot, but it's not considered that he killed the dragon.
Okay, right.
So that's one
It makes
next
Shark
I-
cool. Okay. Okay, so after we talk about all of the stuff about this animation,
Yeah.
this anime, I want you to rate this anime from the storyline, the graphic or the animation, and the overall anime.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So let's begin for the first one, the
The
storyline.
Okay. If you ask me to rate the storyline first, so I'm going 9. 9. No, it's very high. But also I'm going to 8.9.
8.9. So
8.9 of 10.
out of 10.
Out of 10.
Not 9?
Nah.
Nah, okay. It's not yet 9. Okay, so what about the animation, the graphic?
Oh, I have thought. Okay, I was thought that the animation is pretty good, pretty amazing, and then I will go with
Maybe.
9 out of 10.
Oh, it's 9. So the graphic is 9, but the storyline is 8.9.
8.9. Pretty
Okay.
close because this both have like same impression like wow, no.
Okay.
Good.
It have good impression for
Yes.
you. So what about the overall animation?
Okay, overall, I think it must be high because the storyline, the graphic is too good. And then I'll go with
Tu, 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 tu.
9.3.
9.3.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty high.
Pretty high because it's beyond my expectation from my first impression first, like when I saw the trailer, and yeah, maybe I can say that it's good. So I
It's so good that you give this animation, the overall animation is 9.3.
9.3.
That's good. Okay. Okay, well, it's been 10 minutes. We talk about this animation. Thank you very much for coming today and discuss with me about this animation. I also thank the audience that have been watched this video, this podcast. I hope you enjoy this video like us. So that's all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Nanti berapa?